Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Dear brothers and sisters, welcome back to our Seerah series. Today, we continue our blessed journey into the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, focusing on two significant events before prophethood. His blessed marriage to Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, and the rebuilding of the Kaaba and the incident of the black stone. These moments teach us deep lessons about trust, family, and wisdom. The Prophet's character before marriage. The Prophet, peace be upon him, in his youth and early adulthood, was known in Makkah for his honesty, trustworthiness, and good character. People called him as Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. He would help the poor, support the weak, and resolve disputes fairly. Despite the corruption and idol worship in Makkah, the Prophet, peace be upon him, stayed away from these evils, spending time in reflection and worship, seeking the truth. His noble character was known to all, making him respected in society even before his mission as a prophet. The proposal and marriage to Khadija Rahmat Allah. At the age of 25, the Prophet, peace be upon him, was offered work by Khadija, a respected and wealthy businesswoman of Makkah, to manage her trade caravan to Syria. The Prophet, peace be upon him, managed the business with honesty and brought back profits far greater than expected. Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, was deeply impressed by his honesty, character, and gentle nature. After consulting her family, she sent a proposal for marriage to the Prophet, peace be upon him, which he accepted with the approval of his family. At that time, Khadija was 40 years old, and the Prophet, peace be upon him, was 25. Their marriage was filled with love, respect, and peace. Khadija supported him emotionally and financially, and she was the first to believe in him when he received revelation. They had children together, including Fatima, may Allah be pleased with her, and their home became a place of faith, patience, and simplicity. The rebuilding of the Kaaba. A few years before prophethood, floods had damaged the Kaaba. The tribes of Makkah decided to rebuild it using clean earnings and pure materials. When they reached the point of placing the Hajar al-Aswad, black stone, in its place, a dispute arose among the tribes about who would have the honor of placing it. The argument intensified, and they feared a war might break out over this issue. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, resolves the dispute. At this critical moment, Allah willed that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would resolve the dispute. The tribes agreed that the next person to enter the Masjid al-Haram would be the judge, and it was the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon. They all said, "This is Al-Amin. We are satisfied with his judgment." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, placed the black stone on a piece of cloth and asked the leaders of each tribe to hold a corner of the cloth. Together, they lifted the stone, and the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, placed it in its position with his blessed hands. This wise solution prevented bloodshed and maintained the unity of the tribes. Lessons for us today. First, honesty and trustworthiness. The Prophet's honesty brought blessings and trust in business and life. In our dealings, we should maintain honesty to earn the trust of others. Second, importance of marriage. His marriage with Khadija Rahmat Allah teaches us that age differences and wealth are not barriers when there is character and faith. A peaceful home built on mutual respect brings barakah, blessings. Third, conflict resolution with wisdom. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, showed wisdom in resolving disputes calmly. As Muslims, we should seek peaceful solutions rather than conflicts in our families and communities. Fourth, staying away from corruption. Even in a society filled with wrong practices, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stayed pure and connected with Allah. We too can remain steadfast in our faith despite challenges. Dear brothers and sisters, These events teach us that even before prophethood, Allah was preparing the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to be a leader, a family man, and a peacemaker. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, faced the challenges of life with dignity and faith, setting an example for all of us. May Allah grant us the ability to follow the example of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in our dealings, marriages, and daily lives. May He fill our homes with love, peace, and barakah, and grant us wisdom to resolve conflicts with kindness and justice. Inshallah, in our next episode, we will continue with the beginning of revelation and the first days of prophethood, witnessing how the light of guidance began to spread in a world of darkness. If you found this beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe so we can continue this blessed Seerah journey together.
Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.